In the modern bedroom, the bed frame is more than a foundation. It defines durability, storage efficiency, and acoustics while influencing mattress longevity and overall room aesthetics. This comparison analyzes 5 popular metal and upholstered frames that span a budget to premium range, with emphasis on stability, noise reduction, under-bed storage, and ease of assembly.
List number 1. Metal bed frame. This twin-size storage bed frame uses a wrought iron look with a powder-coated black finish and a 14-inch height. It emphasizes a sturdy slat system, upgraded metal rods, and under-bed storage for clutter reduction. With a stated weight of 20 pounds and dimensions of 74.5 inches by 37.5 inches, it targets space-constrained bedrooms, such as dorms or kids' rooms, and advertises easy assembly as a key selling point. Performance-wise, the frame relies on a heavy-duty reinforced metal rod construction and a solid steel slat support system to minimize creaks and wobble. The 14-inch ground-to-frame clearance allows for under-bed storage containers, aiding organization without compromising bed stability. The absence of a box spring is compatible with most foam, latex, or hybrid mattresses sized twin. Potential limitations include the lighter overall weight for very tall occupants or heavy use in high-fidelity sleep environments where corner stability and screw attention could degrade over time if repeatedly moved. The included underbed storage is a practical enhancement but may reduce headroom for taller individuals when sitting upright on the edge of the bed.
List number 2. LifeZone Queen Bed Frame with 2-tier storage headboard. LifeZone's Queen Bed Frame blends heavy storage functionality with integrated features like a 2-tier headboard shelf, 4 sliding drawers, a built-in charging station, and RGB LED lighting. It uses an all-metal structure supporting up to 800 pounds and includes 11 metal slats for support. The headboard adds nightstand-like convenience, while the LED lighting introduces ambiance and practicality for late-night reading or device charging. Performance notes highlight the noiseless design with a mute sponge bar reducing mid-frame friction. The setup emphasizes stability via 9 metal legs and reinforced joints. The 86.4 by 61.4 by 40 inches footprint fits standard queen rooms. The integrated charging and USB-C outlets are convenient, but potential downsides include the lack of price transparency, price not listed, and the weight of the bed, 95 pounds, complicating moves. The drawers are useful, yet require alignment during installation to prevent drawer misalignment or slippage if not properly secured.
List number 3. Queen bed frame with headboard. Fluist offers a queen frame combining a headboard with LED lighting, a built-in charging station, USB, Type-C, and standard outlet, and an underbed storage shelf. The design uses a wood and metal combination, providing a premium aesthetic and a sturdy 12-slot system with an impressive 800-pound load rating. The product emphasizes quiet operation through foam slatted edges and a robust footboard to prevent mattress movement. In practice, the model aims at users seeking both storage and a tech-friendly sleeping environment. The underbed storage and integrated controls are appealing, particularly for compact bedrooms. The 82.1 by 59.7 by 37.2 inches footprint requires a fairly spacious room, and the foam strips on slats help reduce creaks, but may introduce a slightly softer edge if the mattress is heavy. While the LED and charging features enhance convenience, long-term reliability depends on the LED system and charging hardware. List number 4. Metal platform bed frame, 14-inch tall. HLI PHAS's full-size metal platform bed is a 14-inch tall frame designed for easy assembly and reliable underbed storage. The frame emphasizes a squeak-reduced slat-based foundation with a heavy-duty metal build and a minimalist aesthetic. The underbed space offers practical storage, and the design aligns with a modern, low-profile bedroom look. Performance-wise, this frame focuses on stability and noise reduction, leveraging a solid metal structure with a straightforward slat system. The 74.6 by 53.6 by 14 inches dimensions suits standard full mattresses. It's a strong choice for mattress types that benefit from a firm, rigid platform. However, the lack of built-in storage differentiation beyond underbed space
means it does not offer as many organizational features as the LifeZone or Flu-S models, and some users may desire more integrated functionality.
List number 5. Bestier Queen Bed Frame with Adjustable Headboard. Bestier offers a queen-sized upholstered bed frame with a corduroy headboard featuring adjustable height, integrated warm LED lighting, and a solid wood slat foundation. The assembly emphasizes straightforward setup and anti-squeak construction with a lofty 1,100-pound weight capacity. The headboard's height adaptability aims to accommodate mattresses from 10 to 12 inches, providing a customizable ergonomic experience. In use, the bed combines comfort and practicality. The upholstered headboard adds soft support and a touch of luxury, while the hex socket screws and self-draw screws improve joint stability and reduce squeaks. The 80.98 by 60.51 by 39.13 inches footprint fits most standard queen bedrooms. The weight of about 73.1 pounds supports robust construction, though fabric care becomes a consideration. Pilling or staining on corduroy may require routine cleaning. The price is not listed, which complicates a value judgment between this and other similarly featured frames in the set.